2 out of 3 adults are thought to experience depression at some point in their life. For Alan Mudell, it came at the time when he was made redundant, followed by the breakup of his marriage. When he went to his doctor, he was prescribed antidepressants, which he's been taking for over a decade. There's been no offer of any other kind of treatment from the NHS.
After 13 years, I know I do need antidepressants. I did come off them once, and it was a bit of a nightmare. But I suppose I'm not angry. I'm just frustrated that I wasn't offered anything else. It was never even discussed.
Alan lives in one of 7 counties in South Wales where the rate of antidepressant use is regularly among the highest in Britain. The use of antidepressants is rising across the UK. In one county here in South Wales, as many as 1 in 5 people pick up a prescription for antidepressants every month. They're thought to benefit around 50 to 65% of people with depression. A course should last between 3 and 6 months. But for some patients, the routine of taking antidepressants can continue for years. Doctors' leaders in Wales say the problem is driven by long waiting lists for any real alternative.
The recognised best treatment for mild to moderate depression is talking therapies, whether it be cognitive behavioural therapy or counselling, but talking therapies generally seem to work well, certainly at least as well as antidepressants. The problem being that it's not very easy to say to the patient, well, we've got 2 alternatives, we can try and treat you with an antidepressant now and see if we can actually make you feel better in a matter of weeks. Or we can refer you to a counsellor, but I'm sorry, you probably won't see them for about 6 months.
Alan's search for help brought him through the doors of the mental health charity Mind. He now helps others to deal with depression. The Welsh Government says it's investing in access to psychological therapies, but for tens of thousands of patients, daily medication has become a way of life. Hywel Griffith, BBC News, Caerphilly.